Where to find the best sites. Plants and flowers by location. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about North Florida flowers that attract the most birds. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about North Florida flowers that attract the most birds is www.north-florida-garden-guide.com. See the page titled North Florida Garden Plants and Advice. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.carolinanature.com, especially the page Plants for Attracting Birds in Central North Carolina. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.gardenguides.com. The web page Plants to Attract Hummingbirds in Florida Garden Guides. Here's the link.